Model to demonstrate simple pendulum dependence of period on the length of the pendulum. As you can see in the model, there are three pendulum which are suspended in a metallic frame. Now if you can see, the mass at the end of the pendulum, it's exactly similar. What is difference here? We are changing the length of the pendulum. The length of the first long thread is 344.5 mm. Second thread is 289.5 mm and third thread is 234.5 mm respectively. Now what we will do, by keeping these two pendulums stable, we will just try to try to move one pendulum from a certain definite period, from a certain definite point, and note down the time required for 20 oscillations. Once 20 oscillations are finished, then just this pendulum will be at rest. We will just start vibration of the second pendulum again from the same point, and we will note down the time which are required for the 20 oscillation. In the similar way, stop the movement of the pendulum and start oscillation of third pendulum from a certain point and note down the time required for 20 oscillation. Note down all three times and calculate how much time is required for fixed number of oscillation. You will find that number of time required is directly proportional to the length of the pendulum. This is the principle which is used into making of mechanical clocks. This is the principle which is used to find out acceleration due to gravity at a given point, and this is how we demonstrate dependence of the period on the length.